So what does the Quran actually say about astronomy? You might be surprised to know that the Quran actually talks about some astronomical phenomena, and it's consistent with modern science. For example, the Quran says that the sun and the moon are created to be of service to humanity. It also says that the sun and the moon have a set number of years that they will shine for. And after that, new stars will replace them. Now, this is interesting because, according to modern science, stars do have a lifespan, and they do eventually die. But the Quran says that the lifespan of the sun and the moon is 40,000 years. And after that, they will be replaced by other stars. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems pretty accurate to me. The Quran also talks about the fact that the earth is round. In fact, it says that the earth is a sphere. It says, "We have certainly created the earth as a living space and placed therein various kinds of living beings, and have made therein for you livelihoods and for others yet to come." So the verse says that the earth is a living space, which means that the earth is habitable. And it also says that we have placed living beings on the earth. And these living beings are not just humans, but also animals and plants. The verse also says that we have made provisions on the earth for the sustenance of all living things. So basically, the verse is saying that the earth is a sphere that is inhabited by living beings, and that there is enough sustenance on the earth for all of these living beings. The Quran also says that the earth is suspended in midair. In fact, it says that the earth is like a ball that is being held in the hand of God. It says, "If we willed, we could certainly make the earth a garden like unto paradise, or we could turn it into a barren desert, as a trial for mankind, wherein to exercise their wills." So this verse says that the earth is like a ball that is being held in the hand of God, and He has the power to turn the earth into anything He wants. He can make it a garden, or He can make it a desert. And this is exactly what happens during the end times. The earth becomes a desert, and only a few people are left on it. So the Quran actually says a lot of things about astronomy, and it's all consistent with modern science. I mean, the Quran is a book that was sent down 1400 years ago, and it's still relevant today. So if you think about it, that's pretty amazing. Now let's talk about what the Quran says about Jannat. Because many people have a wrong understanding of what Jannat actually is. So Jannat is a place of reward for those who have done good deeds in their life. It's not just a place for people who believe in God, but it's also a place for those who have done good deeds. And the Quran says that the people of Jannat will be very lucky, because they will have everything they could ever want. They will have beautiful gardens, rivers of flowing wine, delicious food, and they will be free from all pain and suffering. Now, the Quran also talks about Jahannam, which is a place of punishment for those who have done bad deeds in their life. And the Quran says that the people of Jahannam will be very unlucky, because they will have to suffer for their sins. They will be in a place of torment, and they will be separated from God. Now, the thing to understand here is that Jannat and Jahannam are not places where people go after they die. Jannat and Jahannam are actually states of being. When a person dies, their soul is immediately taken to one of these places. And the Quran says that this is because a person's deeds do not get washed away when they die. Their deeds follow them, even in death. So when a person dies, their soul is immediately judged, and they are sent to either Jannat or Jahannam. And this is not based on the person's belief or disbelief in God, but is based on the person's deeds. If a person has done more good deeds than bad deeds, then they will go to Jannat. And if they have done more bad deeds than good deeds, then they will go to Jahannam. So that's what the Quran says about astronomy, Jannat and Jahannam. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family.